What's the meaning of casserole dish? Casserole dish. Casserole dish.
Casserole dish. Casserole dish. A casserole dish is a deep, oven-safe cooking vessel typically made of glass, ceramic or metal. It is used to cook and serve a variety of dishes that are baked in the oven, such as casseroles, stews, and lasagnas. The dish's depth allows for ingredients to be layered and cooked together slowly, resulting in a moist and tender end product. Casserole dishes come in various shapes and sizes, making them versatile and perfect for feeding a crowd. They are a popular choice for home cooks and are often featured in potluck gatherings.